In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat on Reddit. If you're new to Reddit or you've mostly used it just for browsing posts and comments, the chat feature can feel a little hidden at first. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click, what to expect, and a few helpful tips so you can start chatting confidently. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account on the website or in the app. You won't be able to start a chat without being signed in. Once you're logged in, look toward the top of your screen for the chat icon. On the desktop site, this is usually found in the top navigation bar. It may look like a small speech bubble or a chat style icon. On mobile, you might see it at the bottom or top, depending on the version of the app you're using. Go ahead and click or tap on that chat icon. When you do, Reddit will open the chat panel or take you to the chat section. Here you'll see any existing conversations you already have, as well as options to start a new one. Don't worry if this section looks a bit empty the first time you open it. That just means you haven't started any chats yet. To begin a new conversation, look for the option that says Start Chat. Click on Start Chat. This will open a new chat window or prompt, where you can choose who you want to chat with. Typically, you'll type in the username of the person you want to message. Make sure you spell their username correctly, since Reddit usernames are unique and even a small typo can make a difference. Once you've selected the person, you'll see a text box where you can type your message. Write your message clearly and politely, especially if it's your first time contacting someone. When you're ready, press enter or tap the send button to start the chat. From here, your conversation will appear in the chat section whenever you click on the chat icon again. You can return to your chats at any time, see responses, and continue your conversations just like you would in a typical messaging app. And that's all there is to it. Click on the chat icon at the top, then click on Start Chat to begin a new conversation.